Horatio Gates rose as a Continental hero, but at Camden his army collapsed, and his desperate flight marked one of the Revolution's darkest moments. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Horatio Gates was born in England and trained in the British Army. He brought professional experience to the American cause, but also ambition. When the Revolutionary War began, Gates became a general in the Continental Army, skilled on paper, cautious in command, and often critical of George Washington. In 1777, Gates commanded American forces at Saratoga, where British General Burgoyne surrendered, marking a turning point in the war. Though Gates took credit, much of the battlefield leadership came from officers like Benedict Arnold, whose role Gates minimized. Gates later joined efforts to undermine Washington's command, fueling suspicion that he wanted power more than unity. In 1780, Gates commanded at Camden. The army collapsed, and Gates fled the battlefield, riding nearly 200 miles in retreat. After Camden, Gates was removed from command. His reputation never recovered, his earlier glory overshadowed by failure and fear. Horatio Gates lived quietly after the war, remembered not as a hero or villain, but as a warning: victory can elevate a man, but character defines him.